Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best car front camera is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked safety devices for any vehicle owner today, offering a crucial layer of protection and awareness on the road. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes a top-tier front camera, exploring the features that truly matter for drivers who prioritize safety, security, and peace of mind. We'll help you navigate the options to find the perfect front camera that enhances your driving experience and keeps you better informed about your surroundings, ensuring you're always one step ahead in any driving scenario. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Capture every detail with stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution. Its advanced night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light conditions, so you never miss a moment on the road. Instantly access and manage your recordings with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Download videos quickly to your smartphone and share your adventures with friends and family. This device accurately records your driving location and speed. Review your routes on Google Maps and enjoy hassle-free over-the-air firmware updates. Equipped with a supercapacitor, wide-angle lens, and intelligent features like parking mode and motion detection, it provides comprehensive protection for your vehicle. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. We're here to assist you with any questions or issues. What we like. Experience crystal clear footage with its 4K Ultra HD recording. Its revolutionary super night vision ensures clarity even in low light. If you prioritize the absolute best video quality for evidence or sharing, this is the one for you. What people say. The video quality is sharp and clear, the GPS and Wi-Fi features work smoothly, and the setup was quick. It has parking mode, which means the camera will automatically turn on and record for a bit if it detects a sudden impact movement while the car is parked. The app lets you download your footage in real time by connecting to the dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi. Number 4. REDTIGER F7 NP 4K Dash Cam. Experience breathtaking 4K front and 1080p rear recording. With its advanced sensor and wide-angle lens, it captures every detail, ensuring clear and reliable footage no matter the lighting conditions. Equipped with the cutting-edge Starvis 2 sensor and a large aperture, it delivers exceptional clarity and contrast in any light. Its WDR and HDR technology ensures sharp night vision and balanced exposure for safe driving. Connect effortlessly with its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast downloads up to 20 MB/s. The intuitive app allows you to preview, download, and manage your recordings, including GPS data, with ease. Enjoy seamless loop recording that automatically overwrites older files when storage is full. A complimentary memory card is included, so you can start recording important moments right away. Benefit from round-the-clock security with intelligent parking modes. It records continuously or detects collisions, automatically locking crucial footage to preserve evidence even when your vehicle is parked. Featuring a high-reliability supercapacitor, it offers enhanced safety, a longer lifespan, and superior heat resistance. This makes it ideal for use in hot climates and during extended parking periods. What we like. This dash cam boasts the advanced Starvis 2 sensor for superior image quality day and night. With a free memory card included and ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it offers convenience and performance. If you want a complete package with excellent low-light capabilities and quick access to your footage, this is a great choice. What people say. High quality and great clear playback. Easy install and setup with app, comes with MEM card which is very convenient. We purchased the F7N REDTIGER camera about 18 months ago and it has now paid for itself 100x over when it provided evidence to the police and insurance that my wife was not the one at fault in an accident that totaled her vehicle and the other party lied to the police. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Experience stunning detail with our upgraded 4K UHD front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The extra-large 12-inch display significantly reduces blind spots, enhancing your safety on the road. Connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for real-time viewing and easy video sharing using our app. The included GPS antenna displays real-time driving data directly on the device. Enjoy a broader field of view with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses, minimizing blind spots during driving and reversing. The smart split-screen function allows simultaneous monitoring of both cameras. Drive with confidence in any lighting condition. Our device features advanced technology for balanced lighting and superior image quality, ensuring clear footage even at night. Keep your vehicle secure even when parked. The time-lapse mode conserves power and storage while providing continuous surveillance, ensuring peace of mind. We provide attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee for consistent performance. Please use only original brand accessories for optimal functionality. What we like. This offers an expansive 12-inch mirror display, significantly reducing blind spots. Its 4K front camera captures incredible detail, and the wide-angle view covers more of the road. If you're looking for enhanced safety through a larger field of vision and a more integrated rearview mirror experience, this is ideal. What people say. The camera provides a clear and wide field of view, making it easy to see obstacles. Installation was straightforward, and the unit is compact and unobtrusive. The video quality is excellent, even in low-light conditions. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Capture every detail on the road with our advanced dual-channel recording. It records in stunning 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear, ensuring you never miss a moment, day or night. Don't let darkness compromise your safety. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor and wide apertures, it delivers incredibly clear and vibrant footage, even in the most challenging low-light conditions. Instantly access and share your recordings with ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi. Download videos to your smartphone at speeds up to 20 MB SEC, and manage settings or update firmware with ease through our app. Know exactly where you've been. Built-in GPS records your speed, location, and route, providing crucial evidence when you need it most. Review your drives with our free GPS player. Protect your vehicle even when parked. Our intelligent 24/7 parking mode offers time-lapse, motion, and collision detection, alerting you to any incidents that occur while you're away. Experience peace of mind with a suite of cutting-edge features. It includes a free 128GB card, G-sensor, loop recording, and a supercapacitor for enhanced durability and longevity. What we like. Capture everything with its 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording, powered by the advanced Starvis 2 sensor. It also offers the fastest Wi-Fi download speeds for quick access. If you need comprehensive coverage of both front and rear views with top-tier image quality and rapid file transfer, this is the perfect solution. What people say. ROVE pic quality is the best. Interface is easy simple. Install easy, and unlike my experience with other brands, the app is extremely fast to share, download and review. Great video quality, easy to install, app is very useful, screen is decent size without being an eyesore. Comes with everything you need to set up camera. Designed to capture both front and rear views in stunning 4K resolution, this dash cam ensures that every detail on the road is recorded with absolute precision. Its intuitive features, seamless functionality, and durable construction make it incredibly easy to use, while also providing reliable performance in all driving conditions. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam. Experience your drive in breathtaking 4K UHD with our advanced dash cam. Its Starvis 2 sensor and wide-angle lenses capture every detail, while enhanced night vision ensures clear recordings even in low light. Manage your camera with simple voice commands or the intuitive touchscreen. Lock emergency videos, activate Wi-Fi, or capture scenery with just a tap, keeping your focus on the road. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloads and real-time sharing. Built-in GPS accurately tracks your location, speed, and route. Never worry about running out of space with continuous loop recording and an included 128GB card. The G-sensor automatically protects crucial footage from being overwritten in case of impact. Our parking monitoring modes provide round-the-clock security. It automatically records collisions or motion when parked, and time-lapse mode offers a condensed overview of events. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories. Drive with confidence knowing you have an 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like. This dashcam stands out with its intuitive voice control and a smart touchscreen for easy operation. It delivers 4K dual recording with excellent night vision. If you prioritize ease of use and hands-free operation while still getting high-quality dual-channel footage, this model is designed for you. What people say. 4K all-around, and the player you get from the website even has a zoom feature. The video quality is great, night times and day times. Screen is large and clear enough to view the status of the recording, but camera is not bulky, fits perfectly. Design is nice and compact, very easy to install. The dashcam uses the Sony Starvis 2 sensors, which enables clear, detailed recordings, especially in daylight and low-light conditions. The 4K resolution at the front provides razor-sharp footage, ideal for professional analysis or as evidence. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.